Hi, today again I'm filming this video from my car. I have been sick the whole week and I'm still recovering, but we do things on time. So here I am utilizing my available time before I go for exercise and being on track. So now coming to the topic, you are watching video number 8 of the series where I am sharing some amazing and easy mental health hacks for long-lasting relief in trauma by rewiring your body and brain. These practices, these hacks shared in each video are grounded in neuroscience and human psychology. These are practical steps to support your journey towards recovery and long-term recovery. These methods work right away to help you release intense emotions, and they are not as hard as you might assume. Today, the hack I'm going to talk about is very underrated. This practice costs nothing and it's all the time available. Still, people don't take it seriously and they do it as per the mood. So, for many, this practice is also related to, they think it is forgiveness, but it is not. I'm gonna go in detail in a bit. Let me quickly introduce myself so you know who is this person talking and telling me what to do. My name is Ria and I am a certified mental health professional. In my clinical practice of more than a decade, I have helped hundreds of people overcome mental and emotional health issues using science-based information, tips, strategies, techniques, mindset skills, which anyone can practice easily in their daily life. So simplifying mental health, that's one of my mission. Name of today's hack is practice of gratitude on a daily basis. And I'm sure you might have heard about it. And right now you might be thinking, what if I don't have anything to be thankful about from the past, from the future? I have so many problems. I agree with you that there might be many problems going on. But did you notice that even in the middle of chaos, something good might also be happening, which either you might be minimizing due to disappointments or perceived failures? The truth is, everything is an experience and is totally up to you how you want to look at it. Nothing is a failure if you learn from that. Something which make you a better person, a better professional, how can we call it a failure? It's not always about goal achievement, right? Now, another way to look at gratitude is no matter what we are going through, it could have been worse, but it's not. So at what point we are going to acknowledge it, notice it, and feel grateful for that? Let us try to understand why gratitude matters for trauma healing. Trauma often leaves us fixated on pain, loss, and fear. When you are in pain, nothing else exists. And a person in pain is also not grounded enough to have a bigger and clear picture. Person is hurt. A hurt person scream, yell, shout, react. They are bitter. Now let us try to look at it with compassion and empathy for anyone who is living with trauma. And I was like that at one point in my life, long time ago. I was that person who was wearing special glasses that I could only see what is wrong and what I don't have. I was unable to listen to anybody. It took me long time to release those deep pains because I had no guidance and scientific resources to work on myself. It was all common sense based work. So gratitude act as a lens cleaner, helping me notice the good that is still there even during terrible days. And I had to work on it. Now I have the habit to say thank you to God, universe, for every small thing, such as getting a parking spot at my desired location, getting green light during traffic hours, or when I'm rushing. Every small thing, you can add that with practice. To have trust in this practice of gratitude, it's important to understand the neuroscience behind it. Why we should do that? I'm not speaking from place of being religious and spiritual. It's simple science. Practicing gratitude is not just a feel-good exercise. It has tangible effects on the brain and neurology and physiology too. Number one, it activates brain's reward system. Gratitude stimulates the release of dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters which are responsible for feelings of happiness and well-being. Number two, regular gratitude practice can lower the cortisol levels at a deeper level, helping to mitigate the physical effects of stress. Third one, by focusing on positive aspects of life through gratitude, it can increase our ability to cope better with adversity. But all of this is not going to happen on its own. You would need to be mindful about it. You would need to practice it, feel it wholeheartedly. To one of my clients, a trauma survivor, I advised to begin daily practice of writing down 3 simple things, anything which she was grateful for every evening. Initially, it was challenging for her, but over a period of time, she found herself more attuned to observe positive moments throughout the day. This simple practice helped shift her focus from persistent negativity, negative thoughts, negative assumptions, negative predictions to positive ones, aiding and it helped her healing process. I do this practice myself in writing as well at the beginning of my work hours. I write in just short form, such as thankful for great sleep, thankful for warm shower, tea was tasty, safe driving, or whatever comes to my mind naturally. You don't have to be formal about this practice. What matters is your feelings and emotions in your gratitude statement. Can you feel it? Are you really happy and grateful about it? Giving real pleasure and safety to your body and mind through real facts. That's what gratitude is. That's why expressing gratitude is one of the common practice in most of the religions all around the world. Our ancestors didn't know neuroscience back then, but they had this deep awareness and connection to their inner self and higher powers, and they were bringing them together through gratitude practice. I hope you are finding some value in this video. If yes, it would make sense to like and subscribe so you could continue receiving my videos without looking for them. And when you share with others, they may find something good. The truth is, we don't know what we don't know. Now I will tell you 3 simple gratitude practices to build this habit in daily life. First one, of course, is gratitude journaling every day. Write down at least 3 things you are grateful for, and list could be like bigger too. This can be as simple as like weather is good today, or whatever went well. Whatever went well. Second one is write a letter to someone who has positively impacted your life. You don't have to send it to them. You are just expressing your gratitude towards them. This type of writing is empowering and therapeutic. It's very good for people who have trust issues as well. Third one is mindful approach. Positive experiences, noticing them and expressing them, fully immersing in the feeling of gratitude is like you building new neural pathway. So let me quickly share what's going to change as you build this practice of expressing gratitude. You will have better sleep, peace, some strange peace, especially if you kind of take a mental note of what went well today. Focusing on positive thoughts before bed especially can lead to having good sleep. This practice will also improve your relationships. Expressing gratitude can strengthen social bonds and increase feelings of connection and trust with people around us. It will also reduce your symptoms of depression and anxiety. Regular gratitude practice have been linked to lower levels of depression and anxiety secretion. Those specific chemicals, they will be less. Gratitude do not dismiss or minimize the pain of trauma, but it offers a pathway to recognize and appreciate the positive aspects of life that coexist with our everyday struggles. So it's a gentle yet powerful tool to shift focus, strengthen resilience, and support your inner healing. Here I want to add that everyone may not be ready for this practice. If you are living with unprocessed traumas, no self-care, no self-love, dysregulation, you may actually feel annoyed and frustrated and more angry hearing about gratitude and forget about doing it. But that's totally okay and natural. Yeah, it's okay and natural not to feel that. So don't force yourself. If you are not feeling it, don't do it. You are not ready for gratitude practice yet. And again, it's okay. In that case, I would advise you to work on yourself with some trauma professional. Everything in life is not a DIY project, and working on emotional health is one of them. I'm very glad to share about my new book. It's my second book, which is released recently. I wrote this book with the intention to help those people who are ready to move above and beyond trauma. Name of this book is The Growth Mindset Blueprint, and link is in the description box below. This book have all information about how to handle mental blocks, build new neural pathways, and keep becoming your best version. And if you are looking to learn and practice all neuroscience-based techniques and methods all at one place, I can suggest buying my first book, which is Heal Your Inner Child. It will help you in releasing childhood trauma impacts. And if you say I'm not a book person, for the first book, Heal Your Inner Child, audio version is there. You can just listen to that. And for the new book, audio version will be coming in few weeks. So now I would like you to listen to a story. story from the book. And of course, you would need to buy the book to hear to that story. So, see, if you are struggling since long time and feeling stuck, it might be something deep. You can reach out to me and I will be able to guide you about those invisible blocks and how do we take it out from roots. You don't have to keep losing opportunities and keep living with the traumas, emotional issues, mental blocks, unhealthy habits. You can get rid of them, and I can help you if you let me. Don't forget to watch other trauma healing hacks. Maybe you will find something helpful there. I will meet you in my next video. Bye for now. Take care.